Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do a really quick Chanel item unboxing of a new purchase. Now let's get into it. My name is Tarina and I'm a Luxe handbag lover. I put out videos every Tuesday and Saturday about luxury fashion, travel, and lifestyle. If you're a Luxe lover too, I'd really appreciate if you would join me here, subscribe to my channel, and hit that like button down below. Also, if you really like this type of content, don't forget to hit that bell notification icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. I'm also really excited because we are nearing that 100 subscriber milestone here on my channel. So please don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you're interested and excited about the giveaway that's coming up. I will be sharing more details in my next 2 videos about how to enter and what the prize will be. Okay, so I wanted to get into the unboxing of the item that I got. So this is a Chanel item and a Chanel piece that I recently purchased and was able to score. So let's unbox it here first, and then I'll talk about how I got it, my thoughts, and I can answer any other questions that you have in the comments below. So I saw this item on Instagram, of course, from a few influencers, and it was about during the holiday time frame back in December of 2019. And I thought it was really gorgeous, that it would really go well with the items that I have in my closet. And so reached out to my SA at Neiman Marcus to see what their availability looked like. Oop. Okay. So as you can see here, we have not one, but 2 dust bags. So I'm sure that will give you a hint as to what this piece is. A lot of coordination here. Okay. So what I got was the classic Chanel sneakers. So hopefully you can see them. I will put in some closer images and photos of them, but they are just super gorgeous. So let me take them out of the box so that you can get a better look. So as I mentioned, these are the classic Chanel trainers or sneakers that they have and that come out every season. Typically you'll see them in bright colors. I do have another pair of these. Let me know if you wanna see what other colors I have in the other pair, or if you're interested in a Chanel shoe collection or luxury shoes in general. Again, let me know what you want to see in upcoming videos. But I'm really excited. These are super crisp. These are super crisp and clean. They're a mix of leather. There's a little bit of suede here towards the front with the big, gorgeous CC logo there. It did also come with a spare laces. So just standard white spare laces that I can do. Because they're white and they're so crisp and clean, you know, again, these will go really well in the spring, summer time that we're in right now, not only with shorts, dresses, jeans, These will go really well with a lot of things. But because they have the suede material towards the side, I really want to make sure that I protect that, especially being white. So a trick that I've learned and that I've used on some of my other items is using a spray. So like a Carbon Pro, or any other brand that can help protect this, you know, in the rain, or if you get dirt or something, you can just kind of clean it off and wipe it away. So in terms of sizing, I went ahead with a 37.5. Normally in non-designer shoes, I'm a size 7, pretty standard. But with Chanel shoes, I do have to size up typically a half a size. So 37.5 is my normal size for Chanel shoes. Super excited. So, you know, like I said, I saw these last Christmas in the store in Neiman Marcus, and really wanted to purchase them. The availability was really limited at that time when they first came out. This was pre-pandemic, and so I was in the store, wanted to try them on, but another girl actually grabbed the last pair and tried it on and purchased it. So again, kind of timing. So I'm really excited to get these and add these to my collection. Like I said, these are the classic Chanel trainers and sneakers that they come out with every season. So I just like the classic white. So from afar, you know, it's more low key as opposed to the bright colors. Like I said, I do have another pair, and I like that for a different look, but super excited to add these to my collection. What do you think about the Chanel trainers, the Chanel sneakers? Would you add these to your collection? Are they not really your style? Let me know either way. Love to hear your thoughts down below. So that was my really quick unboxing of my Chanel sneakers. Really excited to add these to my collection. I think that in the neutral white color, they're really crisp and have a clean look. So really excited to add these to my collection. I think they'll go really seamlessly with the outfits that I typically wear. If you like this content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you join me in my next one. Thanks so much and have a great day.